The latest investment project on the Kreveze Druzedau Agricultural Cooperative is all about ensuring the best possible milk quality. The newly constructed milking center has therefore been fully equipped with GEA milking and cooling equipment. At its heart is the 40-cow milking carousel with the Apollo milk system.
The main focus was definitely on the quality of the milk. After all, we have integrated all components into this milking system or cluster in order to reach our milk quality goals. GEA is actually the only manufacturer selling this milking cluster at this time.
The milking out of the individual quarters, the subsequent dipping, and the intermediate disinfection of the milking cluster all take place in a fully automated single process with the Apollo milk system. The new technology promotes udder health with a consistent post-milking routine, while at the same time also helps to increase productivity.
With the Apollo milk system, we have basically integrated all elements into the milking cluster, comprising intermediate disinfection, cleaning, and, as mentioned, dipping. And we have removed human error from the equation, which definitely cannot be underestimated either. Furthermore, this also reduces the workload.
The milking cluster's robust safety valve ensures that the milk cannot come into contact with dipping agents, water, or disinfectant solutions. At the same time, the economical and careful application of the dipping agent through the liner ensures a high quality and even dispersion around the whole teat.
This means the teats are completely sealed and the teat dip also gets to where it's needed. This certainly is not possible with 100% reliability using other methods.
The subsequent backflush rinses the milk residue and dipping agent thoroughly from the system using intensive water and compressed air pulses. Following the final disinfection, the milking cluster is perfectly cleaned and disinfected and ready for the next animal. Apollo Control monitors the settings and the levels of the resources used. Generous milk storage capacity was deliberately chosen to give the operation room to grow in the future. The selection equipment automatically guides special needs cows to an area in which they can subsequently be treated or undergo further care. Looking to the future, Martin Arndt believes the modernization project has been an all-around success, due in no small part to the reliable support provided by the GEA dealership.
The cooperation with our GEA dealer has been great. In the initial phase, the installation crew could have practically set up camp here, due to the technology, as well, of course, to the fact that a carousel like this has to be assembled from so many individual pieces, and there are still some final details that have to be adjusted when it's up and running. But the main thing is that we received wonderful service and can only recommend this company.
Automated dipping and intermediate disinfection, the Apollo milk system from GEA provides the Kreveze Druzedau Agricultural Cooperative with the ideal basis for excellent milk quality and optimal udder health.